Hi everyone. I've been part of Growth Circle for as long as I can remember. Right from the early days where we were thinking about what is the right kind of logo to go with the mission of our brand, to today where we brought together several members of the community to share their experiences candidly. I think we've come a very long way. What's been consistently inspiring to me is the ability of the members to show up, engage deeply, and reciprocate with transparency. I'm very excited to see where Growth Circle goes and how the members engage with each other to create a safe space for everyone above all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nidhi Khator. I'm mother of two kids. I live near in Whitefield. Until recently, I was working in a company called Epsilon as a product leader. In December, I decided to quit. I decided that this is a time for me to give a chance to my lifelong dream of becoming an entrepreneur. I've tried this once before, and at that time, due to some family circumstances, I had to jump back into the career, like the corporate career. So this time I'm thinking that I'll give this my best shot. And that is partly the reason why I have picked this quote is if you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Because I keep wondering that the last time when I quit this journey, maybe it was just an excuse. I just used the family thing as an excuse and I moved back into the safety of a job. So this time I really want to do this, give it my fair shot and do my best. And I think that's the principle I want to live by right now. And I chose networking. It's not that I want to learn networking as such. But the reason, because I'm on this journey of being an entrepreneur, I think networking is going to play a very key role, because this journey, I cannot take this journey alone. This is going to be with the help of other people. And that's also another reason why I came to this, to find like-minded people who can help or advise or support me in this journey, because this journey needs that support.
I'm a mom, daughter-in-law, like all of us, and I also work in a company called Flexibees as a CTO. I came to know of this group thanks to Sindhu, my networking guru now. So that's why I chose networking. The quote I have is, when you stop chasing the wrong things, you give the right things a chance to catch you. I randomly picked this, but it's sort of, I can align to this because I wouldn't say wrong things, but you give the space for the right things to catch you, when you're able to stand and retrospect on what you have been doing and what you want to do. This happened to me a few years back. I was a normal, like many of you guys, that we were looking for a work, doing it. Work was just for money, but still it was taking more time than the things you value in life. So I paused for some time, I turned back, and automatically the rest of the things that I would really want to be started coming into the visibility, and I've started pursuing them. That's about me.